In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Activecampaign efficiently and effectively. Whether you're already using Activecampaign for your email marketing needs or considering it, knowing how to reach out for support or with questions is crucial. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you need to navigate to the Activecampaign website. Now, you may wonder why I'm starting with the basics, but trust me, starting from the homepage ensures you're on the right track. So, go ahead and enter www.activecampaign.com into your web browser. Once you arrive at the site, you'll be greeted with a plethora of information about marketing automation and the benefits that Activecampaign offers to businesses of all sizes. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to look for the Resources tab. This tab is usually located at the top of the page, but website layouts can change, so keep an eye out. The resources section is a treasure trove of helpful content, including guides, blogs, and of course, contact information. Clicking on resources will bring you one step closer to getting the assistance you need. After clicking on resources, your next move is to find and click on the Contact Us option. This may require a little bit of scrolling, but it's typically located somewhere within that resources drop-down menu or towards the bottom of the page. The Contact Us section is your gateway to various contact methods Activecampaign provides, ensuring you can reach out in a way that's most convenient for you. Once you find and click on Contact Us, you'll see various options to connect with the Activecampaign team. Among these options, you'll want to look for a button or link that says Connect with Us. This is your direct line to getting personalized assistance. Whether you've got a technical issue, a billing question, or just general inquiries, clicking Connect with Us is a great starting point. By now you're getting closer to having your concerns addressed. Look for a button that says Submit a Request. This is where things get a bit more specific. Submitting a request is how you'll formally initiate contact. This step is crucial because it allows you to provide details about your issue, ensuring that when you do get a response, it's as helpful and as tailored to your situation as possible. The process doesn't end with just clicking as Submit a Request. After this point, you'll see an option to submit a ticket. While it might seem like you're just clicking through a bunch of options, each step narrows down the nature of your request, ensuring it gets directed to the right department or team member within Activecampaign. This streamlines the process, making it faster and more efficient for you to get the help you need. Last, but certainly not least, is where you'll add your specific concern. This is your opportunity to describe what you need assistance with in detail. Be as clear and concise as possible, providing any relevant information or context that could help the support team understand your issue better. This could include describing any troubleshooting steps you've already taken, any error messages you've received, or specific functionalities you have questions about. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the team to assist you. I know this might seem like several steps just to get in contact, but Activecampaign's approach ensures that your inquiry is directed appropriately from the get-go, which can significantly reduce wait times and back and forth communication. Plus, navigating through these steps gives you a good overview of the resources Activecampaign has to offer, possibly answering some of your questions along the way. Remember, effective communication is key, so take your time to accurately describe your issue or question. This way the Activecampaign support team can provide you with the most relevant and helpful information. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to contact Activecampaign. Whether you're experiencing a technical glitch, have a question about your account, or need guidance on using their platform, following these steps will help you reach out effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy marketing!